What are you doing there?
Heating up the iron.
Heating up the iron.
Yeah.
That softens it, does?
Red hot. A red heat.
It softens it up, it does, yeah?
Softens it up. Wet and dirt. Yeah.
Can you lift it?
No.
How weight is it?
Put a stone in it anyway.
Yeah.
Is that anthracite now?
The coal.
Is that anthracite? Is it?
Coke.
Coal.
Coke.
How do you know when it's ready?
When it's red.
When it's red. Is this a hobby or do you do it commercially?
Hobby.
Hobby.
Yeah, it's a hobby. Started a few years ago.
Yeah.
I got injured at work about 6-7 years ago. I got a belt in the head. And after that I started, some reason, I don't know why, I started to hit iron. I suppose it helps a lot.
And do you make things for people, yeah?
Yeah. Well, I make ornaments and bits and pieces.
Okay.
As a hobby, like I don't sell stuff. Talk too much.
You know much about the history of it?
Don't know much about the history of it.
Yeah.
No, not really. There's the blacksmith over there, he's doing it 42 years.
Oh, let's talk to him.
And he's a traditional blacksmith. He knows a good bit of the history about this kind of work.
What kind of stuff do you make in here?
They make pokers, ram's heads, pokers.
Oh, the stuff is here, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, well, yeah, sure.